Sometimes you have to encourage yourself, and sometimes you have to speak victory during the test. And no matter how you may feel, speak the word and you will be healed. Speak over yourself, encourage yourself in the Lord.